Did you know your head is actually older than your feet? Wait, what? Yes, your head ages faster than your feet because, believe it or not, time doesn't flow at the same rate everywhere. This isn't science fiction, it's real physics, straight from the mind of Albert Einstein. Einstein's theory of relativity showed us that two massive forces, gravity and speed, have the power to literally warp and bend time itself. Let's start with gravity. The closer you are to a massive object, like the Earth, the stronger its gravitational pull, and the slower time passes. Since your feet are closer to the Earth's center than your head, gravity's pull on them is ever so slightly stronger. This means time for your feet ticks just a tiny bit slower than it does for your head, which is higher up and further away. Now, we're talking about an incredibly small difference, nanoseconds, over your entire lifetime, but it is absolutely real and measurable. Scientists have proven this using ultra-precise atomic clocks. When they place one clock at the bottom of a building and another at the top, they can actually detect that the higher clock runs faster. So, if you live on a mountain, you are technically aging a whisper faster than someone living at sea level. It's a mind-bending thought, isn't it? But gravity is only half the story. The other factor is speed. According to special relativity, the faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. This is known as time dilation. We have concrete proof of this too. Clocks placed on supersonic jets fall behind identical clocks left on the ground, and the difference matches Einstein's predictions perfectly. This isn't just a quirky scientific curiosity, it's a fundamental principle that makes our modern world possible. Take the GPS in your phone, for example. The satellites orbiting Earth are moving incredibly fast, and they're also in a weaker gravitational field than we are on the surface. Both of these factors affect the flow of time for them. If engineers didn't constantly correct for these relativistic effects, your GPS would be off by several miles every single day, making it completely useless. Relativity is quietly running your technology, every single second. The effects become even more dramatic in extreme conditions. Imagine being near a black hole, where gravity is immense. Time there would slow to a crawl. What feels like a few minutes for you could be years, or even centuries, for someone watching from far away. Astronauts on the International Space Station also experience this. Their high speed slows their time down, causing them to age just a fraction less than us back on Earth. Even on a subatomic level, we see relativity in action. There's a particle called a muon, which has a very short lifespan. But when muons are created in the upper atmosphere and travel towards us at near the speed of light, scientists observe that they live much longer than they should. Why? Because from their perspective, time has stretched. So, what's the big takeaway? There is no single, universal master clock for the universe. Time is relative. It depends entirely on where you are and how fast you're moving. From your toes to your brain, right this very second, there's a subtle time gradient flowing through your body. The simple truth is, gravity bends space, and it bends time along with it. If this just blew your mind, and you're hungry for more science that challenges your reality, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and join us at InfoSpark Zone. Thanks for watching.